Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how to see your FPS on CSGO2. So if you want to see your FPS on CS2, it's pretty simple. So there's just a couple commands that you need to do. So first you want to open your console like this. If you don't know how to open this, I'll leave a link to a video in the description below. Once you open it, you're going to want to type in CL_show FPS and then you want to do 1. Now once you do that, if you click enter and then you close the console, as you can see right there in the top left, you can actually see it in red. I have 400 FPS. It shows the FPS. However, if you want to see the FPS using the Steam overlay, then what you want to do, you want to click Shift Tab and then open up this right here, the Steam overlay. Once you see this, you want to go to settings in the bottom right, and once you find settings, go ahead and click on it and this will show up right here. Now in this, you want to scroll down until you see the option for in-game FPS counter right here. You want to click on that and then put it in the position that you want it to show up in. So choose whatever you want it to show up. It's like top left, and as you can see, if you go back, although it's really small, you can see it in the top left of the screen. Now if you want it to make it more visible, go back to the Steam overlay and then click in-game FPS counter high contrast color. Now close it and go back, and there you go, it's in green and you can see it pretty well now. But that is how you do it. If you want to turn them off, it's the same process except backwards. Just go back to settings and then just turn off like that, and that'll turn off the Steam overlay one. And for the command, you just go to the console, CL show FPS 0, and that will turn it off, as you can see. So that is how you see your FPS in CS2. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.